Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you what I got in my June Boxy Charm Luxe box. Now this box is a little bit more and they only do it like 3 times a year. It's like the regular $21 plus an additional $28. But you get some really cool stuff like this blush palette by Tarte, and it's really pretty. I've used the top 2 colors and I really like it, and their cosmetics really have kind of a good smell, almost like chocolate. So my daughter and I really like Tarte. And then we got this No Pore Blem Prime Essence, and I have used it and I put it on like after my face is clean and I've moisturized. I put a little bit of it on right before I go to bed, and it leaves your skin feeling really good. And it is $23. The Tarte was $45, the blush palette was. And then this is the lip gloss, the Lemonade lip gloss, and my daughter, she kept this one and it smells so good, and it's really a soft pink. So we thought it was a perfect color for summer. And the lip gloss was $17. And then we got this cute mini turbo on the go hair dryer, and it came in 3 colors, and we got the coral color, and it has a nice little travel bag, and it comes with 2 attachments also. And like I said, they only do the BoxyCharm Luxe like 3 times a year. And like I said, you pay your regular $21 a month, then they charge you an additional $28 to get the Luxe. And this is my first BoxyCharm Luxe to receive, but so far I really like it because this little hairdryer was $85. Okay, I was a little disappointed right here because you can see that this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic cleanser is dirty. It looks dirty. The front's dirty, the back's dirty. So I sent customer service a message, and within 48 hours, they had already responded to me telling me that they would send me a new one with next month's BoxyCharm. So hopefully I will receive a replacement. Okay, this is one of my favorites. This is Pharmacy, and you only can use this like 2 or 3 times a week, and it kind of makes your, after your skin's clean, you put it on, it kind of makes your skin tingle just a little bit, but I think I'm going to like it. And it was $58. And the Dr. Brandt, I forgot to mention, it was $35. Okay, in this Living Proof, I have bought this previously, and I kind of have fine hair, and so it gives it that, extra volume that you like, especially in the crown. So I really like it, and manufacturer price is $29 on the Living Proof. And then here's the Good Vibes mascara, $25. And my daughter tried this and she really couldn't tell a difference. This is an eyelash curler right here. After curling her eyes, she did one eye and put the mascara on, then she didn't do the other eye, and we couldn't tell a difference which, eyelashes were curled and which weren't. But she liked the mascara. And then I like this Skin and Company. It's a Radiant Dew Mist, $35, and you just kind of spray it on your face, shake it real good, spray it on your face kind of to set your makeup, or just spray it on kind of to refresh yourself. So it was $35, and like I said, it's got a lot of vitamins in it, and good for your skin, so I was real happy to receive it. So I got several good things, and like I said, everything comes in a nice little box and is packaged, with some padding and everything. And the only complaint I have is the Dr. Brandt cleanser, but they're supposed to send me a replacement. So I'm real pleased with this.